Today, we're going to show you how to install the Apollo lock. First step is to select the correct rubber block. It will depend on which scooter you have, so make sure you pick the right one. Once you figure out which rubber block you need, it's time to install it on your stem. Don't forget to grab your mounting bracket and make sure it's pointing upwards. Once the bracket and the rubber block is installed, grab the screws from the included plastic bag so that we can install the lock onto the bracket. Once installed, it's time to set up a new code. Make sure the code is set to all zeros, and when you're ready, push down on this button. With the button down, I'm going to set up my new code. And then raise the button. Now it's time to test if your new code works. So put in the lock. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was 1, 2, 3, 4. Press on the button and release. And I'll mention if you want to set up a new code, make sure the correct code is on. Push down on the button, then set your new code. And that's how you install your Apollo lock.